What's up, guys? What's up? How's everybody doing? It's another shorts, guys. I'm in the kitchen once more. Says it's cooking show. I'm gonna make some potato wedges. Stay tuned for the outcome. I'm gonna peel these potatoes, wash them, and I'm gonna do it in my air fryer. Yes guys, I'm making this potato wedges my way. Yes, I have my seasons lined out right here. I have onion powder, I have some coconut milk, I have black pepper, I have some hot sauce there, and I have sage, I have oregano, I have paprika back there, and I have salt. So I'm just gonna use a little bit from each seasoning mixed together with the coconut milk, and I'm gonna dip my wedges in and then I'm gonna fry, so just stay tuned. After I mix up all the seasons together, my potato is looking like this. Yes, I'm gonna fry, so stay tuned for the outcome. This is the outcome, guys. Look at it, guys. Looks so yummy, guys. This is very nice, guys. You all should try it. Yeah, remember to give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and if you're new on my platform, go ahead and subscribe. You won't be disappointed. And remember to turn on your post notification bell. Peace, guys. I'm out.